Have you ever asked yourself why some people never stop? Why they keep moving even when life becomes harder? Why they rise again and again while others give up? The answer is simple. It is not about luck. It is not about talent. It is about training the brain to win. Your brain is like a computer. Whatever command you give, it accepts. If you say, "I am weak," it believes you. If you say, "I can grow," it also believes you. That is why today we start a new journey. A journey where motivation and English learning walk together. Because when you train your brain to think strong, and at the same time practice English words, you create a new identity for yourself. Imagine waking up in the morning. You look in the mirror. Instead of saying, "I am tired," you say, "I am ready." Instead of saying, "This is too hard," you say, "This is my growth." Words are not only sounds. Words are power. They shape your thinking. They guide your emotions. They decide your actions. That is why when you use English, don't only focus on grammar or rules. Focus on meaning. Focus on energy. Focus on telling your brain, "I am learning, I am improving, I am unstoppable." Think of your brain like a muscle. If you never train it, it becomes weak. But if you push it daily, it becomes strong. Every new English phrase you repeat is not only practice, it is exercise for your brain. Let's try together. Say slowly, "I can win, I can learn, I can grow." Now say it in English with confidence. "I believe in myself, I train my brain, I am improving every day." Do you feel the difference? This is the power of combining motivation with learning. English is not just a subject, it is a bridge. It connects you with the world. It opens opportunities. It gives you a voice in places where silence once existed. 6 months from now, imagine yourself speaking clearly. Imagine using words with power. Imagine feeling motivated every time you talk. That version of you is possible. It already exists inside your potential. You only need to train your brain daily. Start small. Repeat powerful sentences. Think in English. And never forget, your brain is always listening. The first rule of winning is this: tell your brain what you want it to believe, and then act in harmony with those words. In the next part, we will go deeper into strategies, stories, and practical English phrases that will push you further toward mastery. When you decide to train your brain, the most important thing is repetition. Your brain learns through patterns. What you say again and again becomes your belief. What you practice again and again becomes your habit. So if you keep saying English is difficult, your brain locks that thought inside. But if you keep saying English is progress, your brain accepts that as truth. Let me give you a secret. Your brain does not argue with you. It simply records. It listens and obeys. So give it the right commands. Say to yourself every day, "I am a learner, I am growing. I practice English with energy. I speak with confidence." These are not only motivational lines, they are mental programming. They are a signal to your mind that you are moving in the right direction. Think about how a child learns language. The child does not study rules. The child repeats simple words every day. The child hears them, says them, and finally owns them. You can do the same. Choose simple motivational English phrases. Repeat them daily. Use them in real life. Speak them when you wake up. Speak them before you sleep. This is how your brain begins to believe. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I will try again." Instead of "I am nervous," say, "I am learning to be confident." Instead of "I failed," say, "I found a lesson." Do you notice the difference? One choice closes the door. The other choice opens it wider. Your words are like keys. They unlock the strength inside you. They guide your energy. They train your brain to win. Now let us connect this to English learning again. When you practice a new word, don't just memorize it. Use it in a motivational way. For example, take the word grow. Say, "I grow every day." Take the word strong. Say, "My mind is strong." Take the word improve. Say, "I improve step by step." This is called graded learning. You are not only learning English vocabulary, you are linking those words to your emotions. And when emotions connect with language, you never forget. The more you do this, the more confident you feel. Soon you will notice a change. When a problem comes, your brain will not say, "I quit." It will say, "I can handle this." When you face a challenge in English, your brain will not say, "I am weak." It will say, "I am practicing." This transformation is real. It is not magic. It is training. Step by step, word by word, thought by thought. And here is the good news. You already have everything you need. You have your brain. You have your voice. You have your willpower. Now is the time to use them together. Motivation gives you the fire. English gives you the language. And together they give you power. In the next part, we will take this even higher. You will learn how to combine positive stories, strong phrases, and daily actions to completely reprogram your thinking and speak with unstoppable confidence. You now understand the secret. Your brain listens to your words. It builds patterns from your daily thoughts. And when you choose the right language, you choose the right future. But to make this permanent, you need daily action. Motivation without action fades quickly, so the real key is practice. Start with 5 minutes every morning. Wake up, sit quietly, and repeat strong English sentences. Say, "I believe in myself. I train my brain to win. I learn new words every day. I improve step by step." When you say these lines, don't just read them. Feel them. Speak with energy. Imagine the new version of yourself. Next, add practice in real life. When you meet someone, use a simple English phrase. When you watch a video, repeat one line out loud. When you write something, add one motivational English word. These small actions look simple, but together they build momentum. Your brain begins to expect success. Your mouth begins to flow with English. Your heart begins to trust your power. Remember, growth is not instant. It is gradual, like a seed becoming a tree, like a learner becoming a master. You don't see the change daily, but after weeks and months, you look back and realize you are not the same person anymore. And here is another truth. You will face challenges. You will have days of doubt. You will feel tired sometimes. But that is normal. Winners are not people who never fall. Winners are people who rise again. So whenever your brain says, "This is too hard," answer back, "I am strong enough." Whenever your brain says, "I cannot speak well," answer back, "I am improving." Whenever your brain says, "Give up," answer back, "I train my brain to win." This is the dialogue you must create inside yourself, because the conversation you have with your own mind is the most powerful conversation of all. So now imagine yourself 1 year later. You speak English with confidence. You use motivational words naturally. You inspire others with your story. People look at you and wonder how you changed so much. But you will know the truth. It was not luck. It was training. It was belief. It was daily action. And this is the message I want you to carry. Motivation is fuel. English is the vehicle. Your brain is the driver. And your destination is success. So never stop practicing. Never stop speaking. Never stop growing. Because the more you train your brain, the more it trains you back. The more you fill your mouth with positive English, the more your life begins to reflect those words. You are stronger than you think. You are smarter than you believe. And you are more capable than you imagine. This is your time. This is your journey. This is your victory. Train your brain to win, and let every English word you speak become a step toward your greatness.